Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will understand how to import Excel files into KNIME platform. So for this, we will go in the environment of KNIME. I can create new workflow from here, or I can also create from here new. So let us start from here. New KNIME workflow. Press finish. Now I want to bring the Excel file. So for this purpose, I'll require the Excel operator. You can see here the list of the operators. Now you activate the IO, input and output. In this, Excel reader is there. Double click on it. You can see that on the canvas, the Excel reader node is activated. Now you can configure this node by double clicking on it or by right clicking on it and press configure. Browse the file where your Excel file is located. So this customer churn data is my Excel file. Press open. You can see that the Excel file is now connected. If I want to do any transformation on this file, I'll press transformation. So the gender has been identified as a string variable, age has been identified as number, payment method is string. If I want to change the type of the variable, I'll click here and I can change it from here also. Press apply, click OK. Now press execute. You can see we got the green signal. You'll not be able to get output from any node until and unless you get the green signal from that node. Again, click on it, press the file table, and you can see the data file is ready. This is a way you can import Excel file into KNIME platform. For more videos on KNIME, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos on KNIME.